Let us continue our discussion of crash test 2. Look at question number 5 6. Ozonolysis of an organic compound is given formaldehyde as one of the product. If we are getting one of the product as aldehyde, so formaldehyde, it must be this kind of, because this part we don't know, but this part we are sure because we are getting methanol. What you have to do, just rub it half, double bond, and rub it off half the portion, so you get methanol and this kind of other carbonyl compound. The product will depend on this group, alkyl group, or whatever it is there. So since one product is methanol, we are sure that this group must be there, and this group is called vinylic group. This is called vinylic group. 56 correct answer is second option. Look at 57. For an ideal binary solution A and B, where A is more volatile, so it is clearly mentioned that A is more volatile. So if A is more volatile, say, so obviously this is suppose A and B, this is in liquid state. Obviously A is more volatile, that means in vapor state A will be more than vapors of B. Alright, so obviously here you can say liquid A is less than liquid B. Mole fraction, I'm talking about mole fraction of A in liquid state is less than mole fraction of B in liquid state, whereas here in vapor state mole fraction of A is more than mole fraction of B. So now let us see, look at question number 5 7. This for A it is mentioned is Y, all right, and for the other one it is mentioned X. So YA is greater than X of A. YA is greater than X of A. It is mentioned the question, it is YA. X of A YA and X of B YB. X, it is mentioned, represents mole fraction in liquid phase, and Y represents mole fraction in vapor phase. So this one, this is Y. Alright, Y of A is more than X of B. Alright. X of A means X is the X in this thing. Y represents mole fraction in liquid phase and Y represents mole fraction in vapor phase. So we can say that YA, that is in vapor phase, is more, alright, as compared to X of A. So obviously it is greater than 1. This ratio is greater than 1, whereas for B liquid, YB is YB upon X of B is greater than 1. Here we are saying that Y of A is greater than X of A and YB is less than X of B. That we have already explained. Alright, so now since YA is greater than X of A, we can say YA upon X of A is greater than 1, and YB is greater, therefore we can say YB upon X of B is greater than 1, or we can also say that YA upon XA is greater than YB upon XB. Alright, question number 5 7. Correct answer is third option, 57. Now look at question number 5 8. At 100 degrees Celsius, vapor pressure of two liquid components, heptane and octane, are 200 kilopascal and 50 kilopascal respectively. And if solution of these two boil at 1 bar pressure and 100 degrees Celsius, then what will be the mole fraction of octane in the vapor phase? Alright, this is the question. So for octane it is 50 and for heptane it is 200. Now see, look at question number 5 8. Look at question number 5.8. 1 kilopascal, that is 0.01 bar, and therefore 50 kilopascal equal to 0.5 bar, and 200 kilopascal equal to 2 bar. And at 373 Kelvin, the atmospheric pressure is equal to approximate 1 bar. Alright, so total pressure is 1 bar because the solution boils at 1 bar. That is equal to P0 octane into X of octane plus P0 heptane into X of heptane. That is P0A X of A, P0B X of B, that kind of thing. So P0 octane is 0.5, P0 heptane is 2. If it is X of O means octane, then the remaining will be 1 minus X of O. So when you solve this much portion, you get 1.5 XO equal to 1, or XO equal to 1 by 1.5, or you can say 2 by 3. This is the mole fraction of octane, and as far as mole fraction of heptane is concerned, 1 minus 2 by 3, it becomes 1 by 3. So 58 correct answer is second option. 58 correct option is second option, 1 by 3. Alright. Look at question number 5.9. Electrolysis of hot aqueous NaCl is given. Alright. Gives NaClO4. Alright, this reaction is given. How many Faradays are required to obtain 1000 grams of sodium perchlorate? We need 1000 grams of sodium perchlorate. Now look at the change in oxidation state, -1 to +7. So total change is 8. So for 1 mole we need 8 Faradays. For 1 mole, molar mass is 122.5. Molar mass is 122.5. So we need 8 Faradays to obtain 122.5 grams of NaClO4. Therefore, for 1000 grams, we need 1000 into 8 divided by 122.5. That is equal to 65.3 Faraday we need. Question number 59, correct answer is first option. 60. Efficiency of a cell with cell reaction under standard condition. It is given delta H, the given, and efficiency is given. So you must, and the point is we have to find out E0 value. So you must know that delta G0 upon delta H0 equal to the efficiency. The efficiency of a cell is given by delta G0 upon delta H0, that you must know. Alright, now see, delta G0 value we have to calculate. Efficiency is given, that is 70%, means 70 by 100. So delta G0 we are getting 210. It is in kilojoules. So in joules it will be this much, and delta G0 equal to minus NFE0. So this is 210 into 10 raised to power 3 equal to 96,500 into N. N is change in number of electrons, that is 1. N is change in number of electrons, that is 1. Why we are considering 1? Because see, positive, negative means 1 electron is getting transferred. Alright. So when you calculate E0, we are getting 2.176 volt. Question number 60. Now look at question number 6.1. Question number 6.1. Which of the following statement regarding rate constant is correct? Question number 61. Correct answer is second option. Rate constant is temperature dependent, and this is the relation K equal to A to the power minus E upon RT. Now look at question number 62. Question number 62. Which of the following expression is correct for zero order reaction and first order respectively? A is initial concentration. So T half is inversely proportional to A to the power n minus 1. This is the relation. T half is inversely proportional to. So just put the value of n equal to 0 for zero order reaction and 1 for first order reaction. So it is independent for first order. So it is A0. It is inversely directly proportional, means it is independent. A to the power 0 means 1. T half is independent. So question number 62, correct answer is second option, this one. Question number 63, the correct IUPAC name of CrEn3Cl3. So this is tris ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2-diamine chromium 3 chloride. Tris ethylene diamine chromium 3 chloride, that is it. Alright, B and C, the only difference is here we have double M, here we have only 1 M. So in ethylene diamine, it is only 1 M, you should be careful. Whereas in amine, it is double M. Okay. Question number 64. The species having tetrahedral shape. The first one, PdCl4 negative, PdCl4 negative, NiCN4 and PdCN4, they are all means for PdCN4, most of the complexes of platinum and palladium are DsP2. This you must know. And out of NiCN4 and NiCl4, since Cl is a weak ligand, the type of hybridization is sp3 and it is tetrahedral. Question number 64. Question number 65. Look at question number 65. See, we are given C6H5 CH2CHO, means this is not benzaldehyde, this C6H5, alright, C6H5 and then CH2, then CHO. It is treated with NaOH. So this is, look at this reaction, C6H5CH2, it is having alpha hydrogen. So this is aldol condensation, one oxygen, this is the removal of water. These two get added, that is it, nothing else. Correct answer is fourth option. Correct answer is fourth option. This one, C6H5CH2, then CH double bond C, then CHO and then C6H5. C6H5CH2, CH double bond C, CHO and then C6H5. Question number 66. It is magnesium amalgam and water. So this is simply the reduction of CHO group. Like if you look at one simple example, say like acetone. If acetone is reduced, alright, like this, CO, CH3 with magnesium amalgam and water, what happens? This O is converted to OH, alright, these two get added. And then there is further reaction, that is pinacol-pinacolone, but here it is not asked. So what we have to do, it is simply one compound, that is cyclohexane, consists of this one. So this will be converted to OH group, alright, and this is also converted to OH. Simply you have to add these two, that is it, nothing else. Point is clear. So you have to match it with the option, which one is correct. So there should be two OH groups. Here we have O and OH, O double O. So only one option is possible, that is fourth option. Look at question number 67. 67, the answer is answer does not match with the answer given in this question paper. So you should be careful. Now what is this? This is A plus B equal to 3C if it is observed that at equilibrium partial pressure A, B, C are given 2 into this value, 3 into this value and 6 into this value at 300 Kelvin. It says identify the correct option. So when we calculate equilibrium constant on the basis of these values, see, Kc is given by partial pressure of Kc is given by partial pressure of C the cube. So it is 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 into 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 into 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 upon the value of A is 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 and value of B is 3 into 10 raised to the power 4. We are getting 36 exponential 2. Since Kp is greater than 1, we can say delta G0 is negative or delta G0 is less than 0. It should be less than 0. Even you don't have to calculate, simply say this thing. So the correct answer is fourth option, that is delta G0 is less than 0. Alright, it is negative. In its explanation, it is it is silly. Just you can check it. 68. Question number 68. We will discuss further the next